Python string.join list on object array rather than string array. In Python, I can do. Is there any easy way to do the same when I have a list of objects? Or do I have to resort to a for loop?
You could use a list comprehension or a generator expression instead.
The built-in string constructor will automatically call _str_.
I know this is a super old post, but I think what is missed is overriding _repr_, so that _repr_ equals _str_, which is the accepted answer of this question mark duplicate.
Another solution is to override the join operator of the str class. Let us define a new class my_string as follows. Then you can do and you get BTW. By using list as variable name, you are redefining the list class keyword. Preferably use another identifier name. Hope you'll find my answer useful.